The Line, Saudi Arabia's city of the future. Welcome to The Line, a revolution in urban living, nestled in the heart of Saudi Arabia's vision for a new future. The Line is a bold, linear city, extending over 170 kilometers, designed to house 1 million residents and preserve 95% of nature within NEOM, with 0 cars, 0 streets, and 0 carbon emissions. NEOM is not just a smart city, but a cognitive one, where technology serves humanity, powered entirely by clean energy. Imagine traversing the entire city in 20 minutes with autonomous mobility solutions and AI-assisted living. That's the infrastructural marvel of The Line. Residents will experience a new way of city life in harmony with nature, promising unparalleled quality of life and community engagement. The Line is set to be an economic powerhouse, contributing to Saudi Arabia's diversification while setting new standards in sustainable living. As construction forges ahead, The Line redefines the very essence of urban development, proving that the future is not a distant dream. It's being built today in Saudi Arabia. Stay tuned and be part of this incredible journey. The Line, where humanity and the planet move forward together.